One of the key strengths of the Artist Residency Thailand program are the number of regional, local and international partnerships that we engage with. And this year we're very lucky to have had the opportunity to collaborate with the Almeida Theatre, the London Theatre of the Year, and for them to send their Academy Director Jordana Golbourn to work with us and our students and to produce a brand new piece of devised theatre.
In 2016, the Almeida Academy made a show called We Know Best, The Small Human's Guide to Big Humans' Problems. This was a show that was a promenade, interactive performance that was entirely run by children, and it was about what children can learn from adults. So over the past week we've been working in the afternoon for 2 hours with the grade 4 students, and we've taken them through a workshop process that's asked them to devise scenes, to do writing activities, to do mind maps and brainstorm, and shaped that into some kind of script that very much reflects the ideas, the words, the phrases, the questions that these young people have posed.
Jordana has been teaching us how to express ourselves with acting. I really enjoyed the games that she let us play and the parts that she let us practice.
We've been doing some writing and thinking about class. My favorite part in that is where we get to make up the questions, because it's about ourselves and the kids.
Working with Jordana this week has allowed all of our students to access so much.
I feel kind of nervous, but still I'm very excited about it to happen.
I'm excited about it too. I'm nervous.
I'm very excited because we've been practicing for very long, and this show is going to be very entertaining.
We've created a whole kind of game show version of the piece now that very much echoes the spirit and the ideas of the original piece, but works them in a slightly different way for a slightly different audience and a different group of young people.
I was the dance captain, so I was saying the dance move. I'm really happy that I got to do it. It was really fun.
I think everyone did very well. It's very good and people enjoy it.
I feel great, I finished a lot of accomplishments.
Yeah, it was really good. It's fun.
Oh, fantastic show, big fun. That's what I would say.